I'm going to show you how to open a document in PDF. Here I have my syllabus that is in PDF format and I want to edit it. So I'm going to click on it. I will get a message from Word that says it is going to take a while. So I'm going to click on it and it might take a few seconds for it to convert, but it does convert. You can see my syllabus here now is in Word. If I wanted to edit anything, I could remove something should I choose. I'm going to undo that change. But it converts pretty well. If you have graphics in it, it might not convert as well. And I did notice that sometimes the highlighting doesn't exactly, see, I had highlighted the last sentence and it changed it. So, you know, we can do that kind of thing. The highlighting kind of sticks with it. So it's not a perfect conversion, but it does a great job. So there you go. You can open PDFs in Word, and if there's not a lot of graphics, you can edit your PDF that way.